What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I got some Memorial Day sales for you, so let's go ahead and get started. First up, over here at Amazon, this company sent me this seat cushion, and I really needed a seat cushion. I usually use a pillow, and the pillows hurt. All right, they're not comfortable, and then you mess your pillow up, right? So they sent me this thing. It seems thin. It's smaller than the pillow. It fits within the seat. But my Lord, is it comfortable? It's soft, and it does like, now, if I were to just see this image without actually having it first, then I would say this is probably BS. But no, it actually does correct your posture with these little grooves and whatnot. So I love it. It's $49 with 15% coupon. So there you have that. Highly recommend. Now moving on over to Home Depot. I mentioned this, I don't know, last week about ryobi days, but I mentioned the 3 battery starter kit. They do have a 2 battery starter kit, and the free tools that come with this kit are brushed. So if you see like, oh man, I'm gumming up because I got this ryobi ratchet for $79 instead of the $129 over here, the difference is this one's brushless. And then this one is not. But the brush one, I have a Milwaukee brush, and I love it. That's what got me into the ratchets, honestly. So I wouldn't say shy away from that. But the thing on this list that I would highly recommend is this planer. Man, this thing is good because this will break down. This is $99. This will be $99. This will break down to be $50. But let's make sure, because sometimes these things act up. Let's double check. Sometimes it'll make something $60 and something $40. No, okay, $49.50. That's what I thought. So this will be $49.50. I believe that's what I got mine for like a year and some change ago. And this thing works really, really well. Now, I will say this. The dust collection on it is laughable. Okay? But it does plane very well. So this is what I would recommend on this little bunch right here. If you're new to this, you don't necessarily have to keep the starter kit, but this and this for $99 is actually a good deal because you're getting a 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and a charger. Super slow charger, but you know, $100 for all that is a very good price. Moving on to the 3 battery deal, same deal going on. I personally, I do have this vacuum. I don't use it for like really vacuuming carpet like that, but like hard surfaces, it does great. Reaching up in corners, it stands up on its own. That's great. This will be $100. And then you have some other little things. You got this cutoff tool. I wouldn't buy this cutoff tool. I'm gonna show you why later on in the video. Better deals. But you know, other than that, I wouldn't get no ryobi tools personally because you can get Milwaukee DeWalt stuff or Metabo HPT for the same price. Like for instance, you have this brad nail, and yes, I do know if I add this to the cart, it'll break down to be something super cheap. But as you see later on in the video, I'm gonna go over. You get this brad nail from Metabo HPT, which is far superior. This is their new. It's 1 2 amp hour battery, but you get a better brad nailer with a lifetime warranty for $149. Like that's what you want to do. So but if you were adamant about having a ryobi, let's add it to the cart and see what it'll be. It'll be $96. I still say, but you don't have batteries if you're not keeping these. So I would still say go Metabo HPT. But you know, you do what you want to do. I'm just showing you the options. Moving on, we have this Milwaukee starter kit on the BOGO, and this starter kit it's decent. I'm just, again, you have your orbital sander. Usually a good deal for orbital sander would be $100. You'll get this definitely less than $100. You have your Fuel M18 oscillating tool. And this one has the auto function, but it doesn't work well. I personally wouldn't get this. I would get the M12 over this, even though it doesn't have the auto function, or I would get the Metabo HPT oscillating tool, which they have a new one that I need to check out to see if that one has the auto function and check and see if it's less vibrating than the last one. So I need to go ahead and purchase that so I can talk to you guys about it. You have your Sawzall, then you have your impact driver. But the other thing I would probably go for personally would be this hacksaw to get it cheaper, because all these other things we see cheap, quite often, except for the orbital sander. So the orbital sander and the hacksaw is the thing that's kind of hard to find cheap. Now also we have another one. This starter kit with an 8 amp hour high output battery and a charger. I know it's dark, is because I want to talk to you guys about this stuff over here in the cart and what it breaks down to be. So one of the things that it comes with on a BOGO, or that you can choose from, is this super Sawzall. Not the regular Sawzall. The super Sawzall is different than the regular Sawzall because this has an orbital function and a little more power. So, and this comes with a 12 amp hour high output battery. And once you add this, compare it with this starter kit on a BOGO, the 8 amp hour battery and the charger becomes $166, and this becomes $332. Now the super Sawzall is like $279, $269 itself. Almost $300, and then you're getting this big old 12 amp hour high output battery. That $332 is a great deal. So let's go back over here though, and I'm going to show you the other things that this comes with. You have a radio and a surge impact driver. You have 2-pack 12 amp hour batteries. You have this radio with this shop vac, 12 amp hour battery with the radio, super Sawzall radio. Be careful of the bandsaws. Make sure it's the deep cut. This is the compact one, and that'll be limited. You have be limited in your use for that. Then you have another compact bandsaw with a die grinder. 2 bandsaws, the deep cut and the compact. Deep cut with the battery. Deep cut with a rear handle circular saw, and it list goes on. You have quite a bit and quite a few things to choose from. These different bundles will be suitable depending on what you're doing. So I just want to let you know you do have that BOGO, and I'll leave that in the description as well. Also, just to kind of show you what the prices are looking like, I did add the super Sawzall with the surge impact driver because I can see a lot of people getting this bundle. This actually breaks down to be $254.23. And again, the super Sawzall that's pretty much what the super Sawzall costs, actually a little bit more than that. And then you get this surge impact drive for free, which is, we see the surge go on sale like during a holiday, and that's pretty much it. Maybe one other time out of the year. So again, very good deal. Moving on, this is what I was talking about earlier. So we do have this M12 cutoff tool, right? This cutoff tool with the M12 2.5 amp hour high output battery on a BOGO. So when you add them both to the cart, you get the battery, it's $49. And then this bad boy breaks down to be $80. Is it as good as DeWalt's? Well, that depends. It is as powerful? No, the DeWalt is way more powerful, and I have both. Now, I only use the DeWalt when this can't cut it, and pun intended. When this can't cut it, I'll grab the DeWalt, but guess what? I've never been in that situation. But if I'm doing dead bolts, cutting locks off, this does it fine. I've even cut plaster with this thing just fine. I'm talking about every layer down to the metal, cut just fine. The reason I like the Milwaukee and why I grab it first is because it has a universal dust collection port, whereas the DeWalt is proprietary. Listen, $80, I ain't never seen it this cheap, but I pay like $130 for mine. I don't regret it, and I think this is a wonderful deal. This is probably the deal of the day right there. Moving on, we also have this Milwaukee blower, 450 CFM. $129 is not bad for that. We have seen better ones like from Ego that are higher, or even Ryobi, their Whisper Jet, which is like 700 CFM. But $129 for this Milwaukee is not bad, especially if you don't want to change battery platforms. Not bad at all for that. Moving on over to Lowe's. First off, I want to say don't forget your Rakuten. Rakuten is a free cashback extension, and they will give you $30 when you use the link in the description to sign up on top of the 3% cashback over here at Lowe's. You have to spend at least $30, but you will. You will with these deals. Now, let's talk about this. Now, there's only one thing I don't like about this deal right here, and that is this case. I would love to have seen this be the Tough System 2.0 rolling case, but you still have a rolling case here, but you can't stack nothing on top of it. That's the problem with that. Now, this is actually a newer kit because they have their newer impact driver here, right? So let's go down and break down the cost. This is $5.99. Let's go through here and break down and see if this is a good deal, because usually these things are not. They'll throw in some decent tools and then some boo-boo tools, but no, this is an XR kit through and through. So let's go through it. Now, this impact driver, we've seen this as low as $100. So we're going to count all the lowest prices. This has been $100. This is their tippy top of line hammer drill, 3-speed transmission. Let's call this $150. So that's $250. This oscillating tool right now is on sale as a kit for $99. So let's call that $100, which I still think that's a glitch. $350 right there. This orbital sander, we've seen it as low as $99. $450. This reciprocating saw, this was last year on sale at Tractor Supply a little over a year ago for $99. So that's $550. Then we have this cutoff tool. We've never seen this $100. So let's call this $120. I think we might have seen it as cheap or as low as $120. Or let's call it $100, which we've never seen it that low. That's $650. And then you have this circular saw. Let's call that $100 as well. That's $750. And this, we're just going to say the batteries are free and this bag is free. We already see that's way more than $599. So if you can afford to buy them all at the same time, you will be getting an excellent kit here. All XR tools, all top of the line stuff. Good deal right there. Almost done. I showed you this earlier. This brad nailer from Metabo HPT 149. I don't need to talk about that again. And then finally, we have this Metabo HPT narrow crown finish stapler for $169 as a kit. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this, ask that you like, leave me a comment, share this with your brethren. Don't be stingy. And I will see you guys next time.